Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be potting up some of these cuttings that I've taken that are well rooted now. I have, you see a Sansevieria here. I have another one that has a little baby on it under there. My Enjoy, my Pothos Enjoy. I have my Silver Stripe Philodendron, my Scindaptus Pictus, and my Arrowhead plant here that has a lot of new growth. I will bring you along for the process. I'm gonna just use gold, what is it, black gold soil, and I added some worm castings. So yeah, I'm gonna be using pots. You'll probably notice they're not cleaned out. I'm gonna try to get as much soil as I can out, but I'm just gonna pot them up. I'm not gonna wash the pots. Some of, if I knew the pots were like infested with some type of bug, I would clean them out. But those, I just removed plants from them. So yeah, I'm not too worried about it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I found the perfect little pot for my Sansevieria and the little baby growing. I'm gonna do it in this little elephant. I think it'll look super cute. And I'm gonna put it I'll probably put it there, give the baby some room and get all the roots nice and covered. So let me go put some soil. This one already has the mesh. This is the mesh I use for the bottom of my pots. I got it from the 99-cent store. I just take a piece of it, put it at the bottom, and it helps so not a lot of soil falls through. Just potted up this cute little Monstera Adansonii. It's so cute. Alright friends, wanted to show you all my plants that I potted up right now. Here is my Scindaptus pictus. These I water propagated. I love this plant because I have a big one of this one, and they basically like tell you by the leaves when they need water. So they're a really easy plant to keep alive, and if you want something that's super pretty and just easy, this is a great plant. Because when the leaves start to get a little like droopy, that's when they need some water. So yeah, and it pops right back. It's that one. My Pothos Enjoy. This one's doing really well. I hope it continues to thrive and grow. Here is the big, you won't be able to see it all, but here is the big snake plant. Hopefully it throws off some babies soon. The other moon plant that I took from a cutting. So I just basically, I had one that wasn't doing well, and I just cut the bottom and I put it in water. Did I let it callus over? I then gave it a couple of days when I cut it, a couple of days just out of water, and then I threw it in some water. And it's throwing off a little baby. That's so cute. Then I have my Monstera Adansonii baby here. This is my Philodendron Brazil. This is the Brazil, and then I have the silver stripe. Sorry. Brazil, silver stripe. Little cute little leaves. Yeah. This one where it has my Philodendron Brazil. Philodendron silver stripe, and that leaf, it's so pretty. And then my lemon lime pothos. And then I have arrowhead plant that needs a treatment. I'll probably wash it with some soap water. There's like a little egg thing there. And I have my other bigger Adansonii, which is kind of all over the place here. This one definitely needed to be put into some soil. Yeah, it's just not great to keep it keep it in water for that long. So yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next